Today, we'll show how to install the new MadJax Passport Smart Key system in a Yamaha drive. Before you begin installation, park the vehicle with the key off and removed from the ignition. Apply the parking brake and shock the wheels. First, pull up on the upper dash panel to access the wiring. Remove the nut from the key switch using a 25mm socket or adjustable wrench. Now, unhook the connector from the back of the key switch. Using a multimeter, confirm battery voltage on the key switch connector and mark or make note of which is positive and which is negative, as some vehicles may have different wire colors. Now, disconnect the main battery negative. Next, cut the wires leading to the factory key switch connector and strip the ends. Attach the supplied butt connectors to the end of each wire. Now, locate the antenna ring and select a flat location to mount it using the supplied 3M tape. Clean the chosen surface, then peel the backing and firmly press the antenna to the surface. In our case, we mounted it on the inside of the dash next to the steering column. Now, install the MadJax Passport control box in the dash. Use zip ties or tape to secure it in the desired location. Now, connect the red wire to the positive 48V key switch connection and the white wire to the negative 48V key switch connection using the butt connectors. Attach the black wire to a vehicle ground of your choice. Next, using a step bit or 15/16 bit or hole saw, drill out the factory key switch hole to mount the start-stop switch. Remove the lock ring from the rear of the start-stop switch and insert it into the key switch hole. Secure the switch using the washer and lock ring. Once the switch is aligned and tight, plug its connector into the Passport control box. Lastly, reinstall the upper dash piece and reconnect the battery negative wire. Touch the key tag to the antenna and the start-stop button will flash. Press the button to start your vehicle and enjoy your MadJax Passport system.